Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Bonsai Yama Review. Today, Bonsai Squad, we're going to do something different. We're going to try and sneak out into the Cosmopolitan. We're going to look at the secret pizza. Now, I've heard a lot of people talk about this, and I was thinking, you know what? Let's go give the secret pizza a try. Let's go find it. Let's even see if we can find it, if it's that much of a secret. So, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy. Take care. Alright, Bonsai Squad, we got them live making the pizza here in front of us, so this is some pretty cool action here, and we'll just see how, have a little fun with this. All right, Bonsai Squad, we made it here. We found the secret pizza. I got 2 slices. I got the sausage, and then I got the sausage, peppers, and olives, because I love olives. So we're gonna manja, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, guys. So here is the sausage and peppers and olives pizza. It's pretty cool. They have it pretty much pre-made, and then they put it in the oven to warm it up. Made fresh daily here. It looks really good. So we're gonna manja, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, we got the sausage, peppers, and olives. We're gonna manja down on this, and yeah, same thing. I'm gonna test for how good the crust is, how cheesy, and everything. So here we go. Okay, guys, here we go. So we're gonna start off with the sausage first, and just fold it in half because it's a pretty big slice. So here we go. Okay, guys, so this is like a really thin crust. They do have more of the Sicilian style where it's like thicker and more squarish. I went ahead with this one because I really enjoy this. The sausage is really good, cheese, really stringy. That's why I bent down on the last bite. But yeah, this is really good. I'm really glad that we found this place because I've heard a lot about it and that it's very secret. So as you can see, well, you can't see, I'm not going to show you the camera, but there's only very few people in here right now. Not a lot of people come here because it's so hidden, and that's why I guess they call it the secret pizza place. I had to ask 2 staff members where to go, and even with asking the 2 staff members, I still really didn't even find it. And it's once you get here, though, it's blatantly right in your face, and you can see it. But I asked one guy, and I was like, "Do you know where it is?" And he's like, "Oh, yeah, I don't even know." And I was like, "Oh, so it's so secret that you don't even know." And we were joked about it, but he was just here, hired on like within 5 months, so he's still learning the ropes. But he helped me to get here, so props to him. If you're at the Cosmopolitan, definitely check out the Secret Pizza. It's good food, guys, you know. Especially late at night when you need to get something to eat or a quick snack. This is a great way to get a quick bite in and get you out of here, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you soon. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me here at the Cosmopolitan for the Secret Pizza. Hope to see you guys soon on the next episode of Bonsai Yama Review. And please check out all the links below, and we'll see you next time, guys. Take care.